Hey guys, this is Ricardo with RZ Floor and Bath Covering. Let me walk you guys through this project. My team and I have just finished up out here in Surprise, Arizona. And stay tuned till the end so you can see what it used to look like before. So what we did here is we patched up two perimeters of these windows. The client got brand new windows installed, and as you can see, we were called out to take care of all the stucco work and drywall work. As you can see, we also did this pop out to match the ones here. So as you can see, they're really nice, and we got the matching texture, wall texture. Guys, if you want to get a hold of us for any of your home projects, our website will be down in the descriptions. That's the quickest way you could get a hold of us, by visiting our website. As you can see, very nice quality work. See, nice quality work. So guys, feel free to reach out to us and stay tuned till the end so you can see what this place used to look like. I'll also be showing you what the inside of this place looks like. So here it is. Thanks for watching. Alright, I want to walk you guys through the beginning of this project. They called us out to have the stucco work repaired only. As you can see, there are two new windows here that have been installed, and our job here is to repair all of the stucco work and drywall work from the inside.